Looking for the best storm damage roof repairs in Longmont, Colorado? Look no further. At Denny's Roofing, we've got you covered. When you choose us, you're not just getting a roofing company, you're gaining a trusted partner in safeguarding your home. With over 10 plus years of experience, we've proudly served the Longmont community. We understand the unique challenges of our Colorado climate, which is why we specialize in storm damage roof repairs. Our skilled technicians are trained to spot even the most subtle signs of damage. We'll honestly evaluate your roof's condition and let you know if we find evidence of wind or hail damage. Wondering why you should choose Denny's Roofing? How can we say that? Well, because 93% of our business comes directly from referrals. So, for reliable storm damage roof repairs in Longmont, Colorado, call us at 970-275-4012. Or visit us at dennysroofingllc.com/longmont-roofing-company. Denny's Roofing, your trusted choice for storm damage roof repairs in Longmont, Colorado, where integrity and quality meet to protect your home.